How does the hydraulic system work in machines? Some devices, such as hydraulic punching systems or hydraulic cutting machines, use a hydraulic system, and it would be good to learn how this system works and why it is used. First, you should know that the operation of the hydraulic system is based on Pascal's law, which states that if pressure is applied to an incompressible fluid in a closed container, this pressure is transmitted equally in all directions. As a result, using this principle, a large force can be produced with a small force. Next, we will discuss what are the components of the hydraulic system. 1. Hydraulic pump. The pump draws fluid, usually oil, from a reservoir and pumps it under pressure into the system. The pump is powered by mechanical power from an electric motor or combustion engine. 2. Tank. It has the function of storing hydraulic oil, cooling it, and settling suspended particles. 3. Control valves: directional, pressure, and flow control. There are typically 3 different valves in hydraulic systems, which we will refer to here. Directional flow valves determine the path of fluid movement. Pressure valves regulate or limit system pressure. Flow valves control the rate of fluid flow. 4. Actuators: jacks and hydraulic motors convert pressure energy into mechanical energy. For example, jacks cause linear motion up and down, forward and backward, and hydraulic motors cause rotary motion. 5. Filters. Filters are used at various points in the device to prevent particles and contamination from entering the system, as contamination can cause rapid component failure. 6. Pipelines and hoses provide communication between the various components of the system and are made of sturdy material because they must be resistant to high pressure. How the hydraulic system works. First, the pump draws oil from the tank and pumps it into the circuit at high pressure. Then, control valves adjust the direction and pressure of the fluid, and the high-pressure fluid enters the hydraulic jack or motor. Here, the jack or motor performs the necessary mechanical movement, for example, lifting a heavy load, and finally, the spent fluid returns to the tank to repeat the cycle. The advantages of hydraulic systems include high power with low volume and force, precise motion control, quiet and vibration-free operation, and the ability to transmit power over long distances. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified of future videos. Leave us a comment and introduce our channel to those interested in this field.